Let us begin with the topic degree. There are three types of comparison. There are three types of comparison. Before that, we know about something about the degree. Degree means in Marathi tar, tam, bhav. The definition of the degree when we comparison with two or more things for his qualities we can comparisons with each other is called the degree of comparison. So there are three types of degree. Positive, comparative, and superlative. There are three forms of comparison and there are three types of comparison degree. The definition we when we comparison with two or more things for his qualities we can the quality we can comparison with each other is called degree of comparison. So this is an definition. Two or more things we compare their qualities and that is called to each comparison with each other is called degree of comparison. There is an example. With the help of example you will understand. The example, Gopal is the good as Krishna. The good became the first form, means positive degree. Ramesh is better than Gopal, the second form of good, that is better. Harish is the best boy of all. It means that good, better, best are three forms, that's three types of degree: positive, comparative, and superlative. So these are the three types of degree you will see here. Degree of comparison, positive degree. The positive degree is denotes the more existence of qualities. It means that David is a rich man that became rich here, the first form, first quality of that. Sita is as tall as Gopal. There is an as tall as. In PD means positive degree. Adjective and adverb generally statement as stated as in the sentence. While you can write down the positive degree, there must be as is there in the sentence. In Gopal is as good as Krishna. That kind of such sentences we can identify with the help of that particularly the form generally used in that degree. डिग्री मध्ये as आलं तर पॉझिटिव्ह डिग्री हा आपण ओळखत असतो. If shows the negative degree in the statement, then use as so in adjective and adverb. Vishwanath is not so rich as the Somnath. So here not is there. It means that so this is the positive degree but that became negative. So we can understand with the help of that particular sentences. Now comparative degree, in comparative degree the adjective and adverb is uses the second form er, ier, er or more. In positive the first form is uses for the positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. The comparative degree is used to compare with two persons or things having the same quality. Cancer is more dreadful than cholera. means here more is the second form is used for compare cholera and cancer. The comparative degree denotes shows the existence of higher of quality than positive. पॉझिटिव्ह पेक्षा कंपॅरेटिव्ह डिग्री हायर असते. ॲपल इज स्वीटर दॅन पियर. So here ER is uses to make the comparative degree. Gopal is better than any other boy. Gopal is compared with any other boy. So here better, good, better, best means better is second form of comparative degree. In comparative form of adjective and adverb second form is used. तर दुसरा फॉर्म हा वापरला जातो जसं की good, that became the positive form, positive degrees form. Better, that used in comparative as a second form, earlier we discussed here. And in SD means superlative degree, good, better, best. So these are the three forms we generally use. First form in positive, second form in comparative, and third form best in superlative degree. Now we look the superlative degree here. Superlative degree EST, IEST, EST or most, that is uses. The superlative degree is used when more than two persons or things are compared with more than two person or things are compared. Mount Everest is highest peak in the world. So Mount Everest compared with the other highest peak in the world. So here the third form has added EST, that is the superlative form than the positive and comparative. The superlative degree is denote shows existence of the higher degree of quality. It is used when more than two things are compared. Apple is the sweetest fruit means apple became very sweetest than other fruits, that is compared with the other fruits. So now we'll have to learn here positive, comparative, and here superlative. So now how we converted the sentences in positive into comparative in superlative. तर आपण इथं बघणार आहोत कंपॅरेटिव्हमध्ये पॉझिटिव्हचं कंपॅरेटिव्ह, कंपॅरेटिव्हचं सुपरलेटिव्ह. तर डिग्रीचे फॉर्म्स आपण इथं बघणार आहोत, तर सगळ्यांनी व्यवस्थित लक्ष द्यायचं आहे. टू पर्सन ऑर थिंग्स. नाव वी interchanges the sentences into positive type, positive and comparative. Subject, so here subject, verb as positive adjective as object, that is the construction of positive types. So here look at Madhvi became subject, is became verb, as is there. Positive adjective here beautiful, as is here, and Padmaja became object. So all sentences you want to change just like that. Money, in this sentence money became subject, is verb, as is there, positive adjective importance, as is here, education became object. So subject in third sentence she, is became verb, as there, happy became positive adjective, and her sister became object. So money subject, is became verb, in are became verb, is became she, we, Punam, that became subject, is became verb, naughty, rich, happy, important became positive adjective as is there. An object in every sentence. Padmaja became object as education or object. Her sister became object. They and Priyanka, that became object. So now we want to change into positive type into comparative. Comparative construction is object, verb, not, comparative adjective, than and subject. So in first sentence, answers. First sentence, which is object in first sentence? There is Padmaja. Object you can write Padmaja. Padmaja. So verb became is. So you can add afterwards not. Padmaja is not. Comparative adjective. Here is positive adjective is beautiful. So here is more beautiful. Afterwards you can add than. Then subject. In first sentence what is subject? Madhvi. You can add there Madhvi. So Padmaja is not more beautiful than Madhvi. Second, in second sentence here is education. Write down object became first education. So verb is added not. So important. So you can the comparative form of that positive form more important than money. So education is not more important than money. Third, so in third sentence find out the object. Her sister. Write down here her sister. Sister. Then is. So here is also is. Then added not is not. So here is positive adjective in third sentence happy. So you can write down the comparative form happier. Happier. So afterwards you can add than, happier than subject. Subject is in this sentence happier than she happier than she is she. Fourth, I can just answer the question of fourth and fifth. You can write by your own. So I can solve that one of them. So here in fourth sentence object is they. Positive adjectives here is are is there. They are not. Rich is there in fourth sentence. Positive adjective comparative adjective is richer. Afterwards added than and subject is we changes in us than us. And fifth, so Priyanka became object. You can write down Priyanka is not is positive adjective is there, not here. Then subject is Poonam. So Priyanka is not here than Poonam. So that is what the comparative of that sentence. So you will understand the positive type of two person or things. So we'll learn here another topic, negative type. So now you've seen that in last particular positive type, and now you will see the negative type. Positive subject verb not so, positive adjective as object. So you can find out The subject is money. Verb subject is money, Sneha, my father, my brother, and Rakhi. Verb is. The not is in every sentences. So is there. Positive adjective useful, attractive, rich, clever, good. That became positive adjective and added afterwards as. And last part that became the knowledge became object. Shrayu, my uncle, I am, and Gita that became the object. So all above sentences, positive sentences that converted into comparative. So object construction is verb, comparative adjective, then subject. So in first sentence we can write down here the answers. First object. In first sentence object is knowledge. Write down here knowledge. Knowledge. Then verb is. Comparative adjective, find out the positive first of all. Useful. Comparative form is more useful. Then add than. And subject is money. Write down money. So answer is that knowledge is more useful than money. Second, find out the object in second sentence. Sharayu.